Hello my butterflies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make floating candle holders. Just sit back, relax, and watch my video. Okay, now we're going to cut out the bottom, the base, to hold the relax sign together. Okay. Now I'm gluing my candle holders down with my glue gun and my E6000. I'm using the glue from the glue gun to hold the candle holder jars in place until the E6000 glue dries. I usually let it sit overnight. This project was so easy and inexpensive to make. I bought everything from the Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so that you will know when I upload my videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.